Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. That means that with any vehicle purchase you make, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your very own chance to win $10,000. And now back to the star of the show, we have this absolutely gorgeous 2020 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab 4x4 to show you. Under the hood, you're going to find the powerful 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine that is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. And again, as mentioned, you get that great 4x4 technology in here. And it is shown in the gorgeous granite crystal metallic color that pairs beautifully with all of the black badging, black side steps, mud flaps, body colored back and front bumper, and those gorgeous 22-inch wheels. Those are housing a great set of tires. This has been fully safetied and inspected. It's only had one previous owner and has a clean CARFAX. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. We'll just give you a quick shot of those wheels and tires, again in excellent condition. In the front, you do have fog lights down below. You have signal light indicator mirror on your mirrors, which is a great safety feature, and a proximity key system helping you in. A gorgeous black interior, very modern, easy to clean, power mirrors, windows, and locks, and your mirrors are also power folding. You also have that child safety feature in the back. Just take this out. Sorry, I wasn't prepped properly. You have the great all-weather mats, keeping everything in excellent condition. Your driver's seat's fully adjustable with lumbar support, and your front seats are heated. Your steering wheel is also heated, cruise control and shifting options on the right, on the left, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection buttons, and behind my fingers there you have audio-mounted controls. Power pedals make it possible to get the exact position you like to drive in, fully automatic headlights, and a tilt and telescopic option on the steering wheel. 21,905 kilometers on here currently, and you do have a large menu of information to scroll through. Take a second to explore that a little bit further with your sales advisor. To the right, you have your push-button start, dial shifting knob, and 4x4 options. And then up top, you have a beautiful clean dash, added stitching for detailing, RAM detailing up top with a bit of extra storage, and a 12-volt outlet. And then into your beautiful UCONNECT, you have a really nice responsive screen here, AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio options. For your media, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. You have DUAL-ZONCE CLIMATE CONTROL, which I think I forgot to show there. A full app screen giving you easy access to some of the technology and access to the backup camera. And the controls, again, your heated seat and steering wheel options, and a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone. So it's a very user-friendly screen. There's lots happening in that app screen, so take a second to look at that a little bit further with your sales advisor. Down below it is DUAL-ZONCE CLIMATE CONTROL. You also have buttons for your heated seat and steering wheel, the manual buttons, trailer brake control, tow haul, traction control, and parking sensors back and front. You can turn those on or off. You have an AC outlet there. Down below, top shallow space houses another USB port and even more space down below that. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything is in excellent condition throughout this whole unit. Locking glove compartment down below. Up above, you have additional space, as well as you have that sport badging on there. Illuminated vanity mirrors, garage door transmitters, sunglass storage, interior cabin lighting, and your rear sliding window. As we head into the back, the door opens nice and wide. That beautiful styling continues back here. Storage behind the seats, another AC outlet, and then your USB ports. Cup holders, so 4 in total back here, and the bottoms of the seats lift up easily, so if you do need that extra space, you have it. You also have a compartment, bins beneath the feet, and a compartment that folds out under the seats, so it'll kind of contain anything that'll roll around back there. As we head into back, again, that rear sliding window, you have a tonneau cover on here already. The easy open tailgate feature, the back bed is aligned for added durability, and you do have tie-down hooks in the 4 corners. So as you can see, this was just a very quick tour. If you have any questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.